Nothing says Diwali like some homemade velvety Malai Pedas. Hi, this is Chef Nupur Varma from the Wooden Spoon powered by Vandevi and Vedai Hing. To make a Malai Peda, in my pan, I'm adding the milk powder, crumbled paneer, crumbled or grated paneer, and milk. I'm going to cook this on a medium flame for about 3 to 4 minutes. Next, in goes my sugar, and again we'll cook this for 3-4 minutes until the sugar is melted. Next, we put in the Elaichi powder and give it a good mix. I'm going to transfer this mix onto a greased tray. Allow this to cool completely and then we can shape it into pedas. The mix has set. Now I'm going to shape these into pedas. I've greased my hands with ghee. I'm decorating with a little varak. I'm using gold. You can even use silver or not use at all. With some pistachio.